Jeremiah chapter 39. In the 9th year of Zedekiah, king of Judah, in the 10th month, came Nebuchadrezzar, king of Babylon, and all his army against Jerusalem, and they besieged it. And in the 11th year of Zedekiah, in the 4th month, the 9th day of the month, the city was broken up, and all the princes of the king of Babylon came in and sat in the middle gate, even Nergal-Sharezer, Samgarnebo, Sachim, Rabsaris, Nergal-Sharezer, Ramag, with all the residue, all the princes of the king of Babylon, and was saved. And it came to pass that when Zedekiah, king of Judah, and all the men of war in Judah saw them, then they fled, and went forth the city by night, by the way of the king's garden, by the gate betwixt the two walls, and he went out the way of the plain. But the Chaldeans' army pursued after them, overtook Zedekiah in the plains of Jericho, and when they had taken him, they brought him unto Nebuchadrezzar, king of Babylon, to Riblah in the land of Hamath, where he gave judgment upon him. Then the king of Babylon slew the sons of Zedekiah in Riblah before his eyes. Also the king of Babylon slew all the nobles of Judah. Moreover, he put Zedekiah's eyes and bound him with chains to carry him to Babylon. And the Chaldeans burned the king's house and the houses of the people with fire, and break down the walls of Jerusalem. But if the princes hear that I have talked with thee, and they come unto thee, and say unto thee, Declare unto us now what thou hast said unto the king, hide it not from us, and we will not put thee to death. Also what the king said unto thee. So they shall bring out all the wives and thy children to the Chaldeans, and thou shalt not escape naked out of their hand, but shalt be taken by the hand of the king of Babylon. And thou shalt cause this city to be burned with fire. And behold, all the women that are left in the king of Judah's house shall be brought forth the king of Babylon princess. And those women shall say, Thy princess, and those women shall say, Thy friends have set thee on and have prevailed against thee. Thy feet are sunk in the mire, and they are turned away back. But Jeremiah said, They shall not deliver thee. Obey, I beseech thee, the voice of the Lord which I spake unto thee, so it shall be well unto thee, and thy soul shall live. And Zedekiah the king said unto Jeremiah, I am afraid of the Jews, that Jeremiah are fallen to the Chaldeans, lest they deliver me into their hand, and they mock me. The God carried away captive into Babylon. The remnant of the people shall remain in the city, and those that fell away, that fell to him, with the rest of the people that remained. But Nebuzaradan, the captain of the guard, left the poor man of the people which had nothing, in the land of Judah, and gave them vineyards and fields at the same time. Now Nebuchadrezzar, king of Babylon, gave charge concerning Jeremiah to Nebuzaradan, the captain of the guard, saying, Take him and look well to him, and do him no harm, but do not unto him even as he shall say unto thee. But I will deliver thee in that day, saith the Lord, and thou shalt not be given into the hand of the men of whom thou art afraid. For I will surely deliver thee, and thou shalt not fall by the sword, but thy life be for a prey unto thee, because thou hast put thy trust in me, saith the Lord.